Baby bee.
One little raindrop falls from the sky. Two fluffy clouds go drifting by. Three bright flowers bloom in the sun. Four little squirrels having fun. Five bright balloons float up high. Six golden stars twinkle in the sky. Seven rainbow colors after the rain. Eight busy ants marching down the lane. Nine kittens play tails in a swirl. 10 seashells shining in the pearl. 11 butterflies flutter by so sweet. 12 little fish in the river's beat. 13 snowflakes dancing in the air. 14 birds singing everywhere. 15 apples red and so divine. 16 leaves falling all in line. 17 clouds drift slow and bright. 18 stars twinkle in the night. 19 bees buzzing on their way. 20 stars guide you home today, the day.